Hi everyone, I'm Daniel and welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an Add to Calendar link in Google Sheets using one formula. Alright, let's get started. So here we have an events calendar. And the usual event name, date, start time, end time, location and event details. Now with one formula, you can create this Add to Calendar link. Let's click on the link to see what happens. Yes, as you can see, the event details is here. The date and start time and the end time is also captured here. We have the location captured here. And last but not least, the event details. So all the user needs to do is to press the Save button. The event is saved into the calendar. And it's shown here. Oh yeah, as you can see, if there are not enough details, then the Add to Calendar link will not appear. So if no date, then no link will appear. Okay, now, let's spend some time to check out the formula. So basically, there is a standard hyperlink address in order to create a new event in Google Calendar. Each part of the URL will correspond to specific information about the event. I have listed the description of the parts of the URL in this table for your information. So the actual formula that I have used is shown here. I first use the isBlank function to check if any of the important cells are empty. I also need to use the concatenate function to join the data from the cells in Google Sheet to form the standard URL. This will ensure that when I click on the Add to Calendar link, all the information about the event is captured. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Google Sheets tips and tricks. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.